If you're a realtor and are using ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas for social media, I've got the perfect prompt for you. For the sake of example, I'm gonna say that my target audience is a buyer in Bridgeland, but feel free to replace it with whatever makes most sense for your transactions. Here's what I would say. You're a social media expert. I need you to come up with a list of hooks that will attract a buyer in the Bridgeland area. For context, I've been a real estate agent for this many years. I am known for X, Y, and or Z. The list of hooks that you will provide me are going to address pain points, misconceptions, misunderstandings, improper expectations, and educate my buyers in this area. I want the questions to reflect my personality, which is blank. Give me a list of 50 hook ideas to choose from in bulleted format. Once you press submit, you will be blown away and amazed at how many hook ideas are available to you. Now, here's the deal. When you're ready to record these selfie videos, the first words that come out of your mouth has to be the hook, word for word, and then you fill in the rest. Now, if you need ChatGPT to help you fill in the rest, you could say, for this hook, give me a bulleted list or give me a script of what to say so that I appear XYZ and say it in this particular tone to best reflect my personality. Go. There is no reason for you to not have a consistent social media presence when you're using things like ChatGPT.